This is our dog, Darby. Darby, Darby, say hi. Hi, Darby. All right, and it's time for him to eat. So he's gonna eat. Here's my brother scooping up the food. Only one scoop. That's a nice way to shut the thing. All right, it's close. All right. The bowl. Move it to over here. Oh. You saw it here. Hey, no, don't eat yet. No, sit. No, Darby, sit. Darby, sit. Good boy.
You guys fell. Now you're making me mad.
I fell.